Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to copy and paste clips on Capcut mobile. First thing you do is now you're starting your project, opening your Capcut app and then clicking on starting your project, and then you add a video clip. Now I want to copy and paste. So you want to copy and paste this, you highlight it like this, and you have this white borders or edges around it, and then at the bottom here you see some options. You see duplicate, click on duplicate, and that's it. You can see. So instead of doing copy and paste, just simply click on duplicate and it's there. So that is how to copy and paste. You just again, you also duplicate it again and again and again. Don't forget to click on duplicate here. And that's all it takes. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.